Okay, so suppose we have to handle this situation. So if you'll observe the question, you will not get any idea that which kind of replacement I should apply. Okay, so here what we will do, we will apply King's rule. King's rule says that you have to replace x with a plus b minus x. Okay, so a plus b is 5. Now look at this. It is 2, it is 3, and then we have root over 5 minus 5 minus x. Just replace x with 5 minus x. Then 5 minus x plus root over 5 minus 5 minus x. Okay, now look at this. So let's open the bracket. So we will be having I equals integration from 2 to 3. Then if you'll open the upper bracket, you will have 5 minus 5 plus x. And then you will be having denominator as 5 minus x plus root 5 minus 5 plus x dx. So this thing gone, you will be left with root x. This thing gone, you will be left with root x. So if you will consider the question as first equation, this as second equation, you will find that base is same in both the cases. है ना? So what we'll do, we will add equation 1 and equation 2 and let's see what happens. So we will have I plus I, 2I, limit is same so we can add. So 2 to 3 and then denominator is same so we will be writing root of x plus root of 5 minus x. Root of x plus root of 5 minus x dx. Now this thing gone. So we are left with 1. So integration of 1 is x. So you can write 3, 2. Now you can apply the limit. So upper limit is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2i is equal to 1. Therefore the value of I is 1 by 2. So the required result for this question is 1 by 2. Okay.